The next vocabulary word is to usher. And to usher means to lead someone somewhere, to take someone somewhere, to escort someone somewhere, to lead or to bring someone to another place. Let's see how we can use usher in a sentence. Here is a situation. Mike and Mary went to a restaurant. When they arrived at the restaurant, an employee greeted them. And here's what she said. I will take you to your table. I will escort you to your table. I will bring you to your table. I will lead you to your table, show you where your table is. We can use usher in this situation. I will usher you to your table. So we've got, I will usher you to your table. Now let's take what the employee said to Mike. Let's make a what employee said to Mike and Mary question. What employee said to Mike and Mary question. What did the employee say? What did the employee say to Mike and Mary? What did she say to them? What did she say to him? What did she say to them? What did she say to him? I will usher you to your table. I will bring you to your table. I will lead you to your table. Show you to your table. I will usher you to your table. She said, let's do reported speech. She said she would. She said she'd usher them. She said she'd usher them to their table. She said she'd usher them to their table. She said she'd usher them. She said she'd usher them to their table. She said she'd usher them to their table. Okay, let's try another example. Here's another situation. Mike was telling Mary about his trip to a museum. He really enjoyed the visit. What he liked most about the visit was the tour guide. The tour guide took Mike from room to room and explained everything in detail. So the tour guide led him, escorted him, brought him from room to room in the museum. We can use usher. The tour guide ushered him from room to room. The tour guide ushered him from room to room. He enjoyed the museum because the tour guide ushered him from room to room. Let's make a what John liked about museum question. What did John like? What did he like? What did he like? What did he like? What did he like about the museum? What did he like about the museum? And here's the answer. He enjoyed the museum because the tour guide ushered him from room to room. Now let's change this into reported speech. He said. Now our first verb is enjoyed and it's in the past. So let's change it to past perfect. So we'll change it from enjoyed to had enjoyed. He said that he had enjoyed. He said that he'd enjoyed. He said that he'd enjoyed the museum. He said that he had enjoyed the museum. He said that he'd enjoyed the museum. He said that he'd enjoyed the museum because the tour guide ushered him. So that's in the past again, ushered. Let's change it to past perfect, had ushered him. He said that he'd enjoyed the museum because the tour guide had ushered him from room to room. Okay, let's move on to the next